G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. I'm in Glendale, Arizona right now for Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to each and every one of you. I'm currently on my way to a self-serve car wash. We're just gonna check it out. We're gonna see how everything works, whether it's great, whether it's amazing, whether it's crap. I don't know, I've never been there, but we're gonna head there. We're gonna give it a little test. We're gonna see how things work, see how many functions they have, see if they have the air dryers, see if the vacuums work. There's so many things to do with a self-serve car wash that makes it work well. So come along, I'm about 10 minutes away and we'll see. Might be really busy, might be dead. I don't know, but let's go find out and have some fun at the car wash. So getting out first glance, this hose looks a little short. Let's see if it goes around the car. Barely gets in the holder. Here we got the connections here. We've got another hose going up to the boom. Don't even need to get a ladder out to change that. Nice and easy. Gun's a little beat up. It's got the red gun, so it's a non-weep. You can hear the compressor going off. That's a beautiful sign right there. And then look at the faceplates. It's an 8-function rotary switch. One is missing, one is stopped. So we got 6 functions, 5, 6. Nice big solid locks, $1.50, 6 quarters. Not sure for how long. They got the bill acceptors, which is nice. That way, if it gets jammed up with coins, you can keep it open. It's not the busiest road. It's kind of like a little residential back street. One random vacuum out the front there. Nice and colorful. But yeah, you can see it's kind of, the main road is here. I'm in Glendale, Arizona. And you can see that they have my favorite brushes. Interesting. But let's go ahead and check the bill changer. 2 bill changes, it's always good. Let's put $1 in there. Let's put $1 in here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah. Last something. All right, here we go. Let's fire this bad boy up. Wow, it's a loud beeper. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $1.50 for 3 minutes and 45 seconds. So it's pretty cheap. Let's start with that. Start with the high pressure soap. Like I said, it's a non-weep gun, so nothing comes out. You have to pull the trigger. Pretty low pressure, kind of weak. Maybe like 800 PSI. Gun's a little beat up. Sometimes when you have a beat up gun and it's broken, it hurts the customer's hand. You're probably thinking, don't be weak, toughen up. So we got it on the high pressure soap, looking for soap. Still no soap, it's been 30 seconds. So if it ain't out now, it ain't coming out. Alright, it's been 45 seconds, it's way too long, so the high pressure soap does not work. That's rinse. Let's try the wax. Try the wax, get all that crap out of there. Let's try the wax. It's alright, I'll clean the bay for you. Don't worry, I got you. Alright, we're looking for some wax. So it's been 1:10 and I haven't gotten any soap or wax. Happy customer? I don't think so. Alright. So that's no good. Spot free rinse. I'm sure that'll work. It's actually pretty decent pressure. Spot free. Won't know how well it works till we drive away. Tire cleaner. What a surprise. Nothing. So tire cleaner doesn't work. Nothing coming out. So basically, all this car wash has is water and foam brush. Let's test out the foam brush. Thought maybe the back of the head's broken. Not looking too promising. Not looking too good at all. And look how short this hose is. It's stretched to the max. Yeah, I'm on this side of the car and it's just okay, but really not impressive. So I'm not even going to use it on my car. So all they have is high pressure rinse and spot free. So this car wash is pretty good if you want to hose down with water with a moderate pressure, nothing too strong or powerful. And that's it, that's all you get, water. So I came to this one vacuum out the front. I wanted to try it out. It's $1 for 4 minutes. Okay, let's put it in. 1, 2. Why not get a padlock and put it on there? They just have this like straw thing keeping it closed. It's a little better. 3, 4. It's probably like 50%, not that powerful. I mean, I got all this trash in my car, but there's no trash bin. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Wow, really exciting. Really exciting. It'll get up the loose crumbs, but it won't get anything kind of stuck to the carpet. Like I said, it's about 50%. So it's actually pretty weak. I'm sure the brushes on the motor need changing, and then it's probably good again. That's all it is. Brushes on the motor. Unless the door's open, but it looks pretty sealed. Anyway, it's enough of that. So we just wrapped up at the self-serve car wash. You guys saw it. Speaks for itself. Really not much to say, but I will say it anyway. It was pretty much 3 functions of high pressure water. Supposed to be soap, supposed to be wax, but they did not work. We had the high pressure water, which is standard, and then we had the spot free rinse. Soap brush barely worked, not a whole lot of soap came out. So really all it was to rinse your car off and hope that the spot free rinse works. So, you know, kind of really disappointing for a car wash. Clearly there's a lot of signs there that the owner of this car wash does not care about it, because otherwise things would be working. And that's just the small detail signs on where the car wash owner's mindset is at. You know, they've probably had it for 20 or 30 years and they simply are over it. They don't care anymore. They might own the land outright. They have no rent, no mortgage, and they're just keeping it as, you know, maybe a couple of grand a week in the pocket because the margin is so big. They pay their few bills, electric and water bill, and they keep the rest in their pocket, and they don't care whether it's $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. You know, they're happy with what it brings in. So a lot of upgrades there, a lot of potential to double the revenue. Not the best location. It was a little rough, little run down, and wasn't on the main busy road. It was like maybe 2 blocks from the main busy road. So that's always going to cap the revenue at a certain amount. But if I lived here, I would track down the landlord and I would try and do a deal because there's a lot of revenue increase opportunities, so to speak. So again, a little disappointing. I'm going to try and find a really nice car wash here soon. I'm here for the next couple of days, so we'll see if I can find one. Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. See you all next time.